Cow whisperer. Romanian farmers spend their New Year's trying to talk to their cows. If they succeed in communicating though, it means it is going to be a bad year for them. Burning effigies. Burning effigies of famous people is the way Panamanians choose to celebrate their New Year. Water and talc. In Thailand, people celebrate New Year's by throwing buckets of water on each other and smearing each other with grey talc. Furniture chucking. Some South African people welcome the New Year by throwing furniture out of their window. Mind that threshold. People in Scotland believe that the first person who crosses the threshold of their home in the New Year should get them a gift for good luck. Night with the Dead. People in Chile celebrate the occasion by spending the night at the cemetery with their deceased loved ones. Trunks of Fury. Siberian folks celebrate New Year's by carrying 3 trunks into frozen lakes.